sleepy, huh? Yeah, I just woke you up. Yeah. You're so sleepy. You're so sleepy. What are you doing, sleepy girl? Not sleeping. I know I woke you up. I'm sorry. Oh, yes, stretch. You hungry? Hey, I'm gonna make you some food. I'm gonna make you some food. Look. Oh, yeah. You know what that is. It's the good stuff. Sleepy girl.